going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be very simple. We're installing a shifter plate from Damond, and basically it's going to go right there where we have this little shift weight. This is from Cobb. This is not the stock one. So it's going to be a very simple install, very cheap, and more so on the fun side versus the whole maintenance side. All right, so let's get to it. Just like that, guys, the install is done. So we're gonna go ahead and try it out. All right, so don't mind this because I'm working on the custom boot, so don't look at it. All right, so let's see. But with the car off, it definitely already feels different, man. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Actually feels really good. Okay, I didn't think it'll be much of a difference, but obviously you have to buy it for yourself. You gotta buy it for yourself to actually feel it. If you don't like it, always return it. Simple as that. All right. Oh shit. All right. So my battery died, and I don't feel like jumping it, and it's just this car's been sitting for too damn long. Anyways, but that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and till next time, peace.